Hi and welcome to this tutorial about Simutrans. Today's topic is transporting chain in 2 steps, and we should supply this construction warehouse with planks. To do that, we're transporting planks from the sawmill to the construction warehouse and wood to the sawmill. The construction warehouse is located here, the sawmill there, and the wood here. This is a relatively short distance and the volume is not very big, so I plan to use trucks for this supply chain. This is what I have done around the wood. Connect a road and a loading freight yard, so they can pick up the cargo. And here at the end of the supply chain we have a loading dock for offloading of cargo to the warehouse. And here at the sawmill we have one freight yard for offloading and unloading. And yes, I know it is the wrong way to do it. So you don't need to write a comment about it. Alright, why is this now wrong way to do it? So let us take out the trucks and see what will happen. This one turn and go to the wood, and this one go to the sawmill. No problem yet. This is the truck going to the wood. And now this will sit here and wait for cargo. And we speed this up. There, the first load of timber have been loaded. And now you will see why this is the wrong way to do it. There we have a deadlock, because there is one truck loading and the truck coming with the supply to the sawmill simply not can enter. That are why this is the wrong way to do it. How to deal with this problem? I solve it in the most simple way. Send the truck back to depot, so it come out of the way. And now can supply coming in. But we need a more permanent solution for this problem. And that solution is to do this the right way. So we add a little bit more of road and a new freight yard. We wait for the freight yard to come online, and there it is. Now go in here under edit line and increase the size of these windows and change from adding stop to insert, and simply insert this new one. Click on remove and remove the old place, which are that with 100%. Now should your new one have 100%? and there. Now we can take out this truck again, and if they follow the new schedule, the truck will enter in this yard instead of that yard. So what you simply should do here is to have at least one freight yard for incoming. In most cases, one is enough for incoming cargo, and to each customer the factory supply, they should have its own freight yard and a piece of road so they can queue up. And that is not completely filled up yet. But now is the deadlock gone. And we simply wait for more supply to come in. So this truck driving down to the warehouse. I now have the right number of trucks to supply this supply chain. Sawmill and construction warehouse is quite simple actually. The only problem is to calculate it the right number and doing the right way at the sawmill. One incoming and at least one outgoing freight yard. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. In the next episode, we take a look on how to handle fluctuation in the transporting system with help of bridges and tunnel. This will be a mini-series within the series. Thank you for your time.